Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can download a Zoom meeting app on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your app store in iPhone, and then you have to do is simply wait until it's gonna be lowered. So once it is lowered, so you have to do is click on that search bar at the bottom. Once you click on that, and then you have to do a search over here, Zoom meeting app, and then search. And once you search, you will see over here, search over here. So you can see over here, Zoom workplace, Zoom rooms, and then Google meetings, and bunch of these over here. So to do or like go with your peoples, or like your members, or like your employees or your clients on Zoom app with the meetings, so you have to do is download this one over here, Zoom rooms. Once you click on this, you will come in this section, and you will see over here screenshot as well. In the screenshot, you will see new meetings, join or share contents as well. So as you can see over here, in this you will see a bunch of options over here, and then you will see the meeting of your Zoom. As you can see, panel over here. In this you will see microphone, mute or unmute, and then start video, share contents, views of your members or like employees, and then you want to exit the Zoom meeting, you can simply click on this end, and then it's gonna be finished, and you will see more options in it, and you can simply join with meeting ID as well on Zoom. And then you will see over here your clients IDs in your Zoom, and you can simply select them and invite in your Zoom meeting as well. So to download this, you have to simply click on this get option, and once you click on get option, it will verify your ID in App Store. So you have to do is double click on power button to install it, and once you click on that, it's gonna be verified, and then it's gonna be installed your Zoom room. So as you can see over here, it's start downloading. So you can see over here it's about 3.8 MBs or megabytes of storage of this app. So you can see over here, you can review their views and as well, and then you can see over here data link to you as well. You can see over here in this section, and accessibilities as well, information of this app as well, and you can see over here similar to these this app as well over here, 3 apps over here in this. And you can see you might also like these apps as well in this section. And that's it, and you have to wait until it's gonna be installed in your phone, and that's it. That's how you can install Zoom meeting in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.